What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to Kart Smart TV. We're going to talk about the forward and reverse conversion that some of you may have seen the video about, where you can get rid of that particular setup with the forward and reverse switch in the Easy Go. Okay, so we're going to talk about it with the club car. Because that's what we're working on right here, is a Club Car DS 95 model. If your golf cart has this particular style forward and reverse on it, has the little handle like this, okay, you can do away with that if you would like to. It's the exact same way you do with the video that I've got up about the conversion, about this forward and reverse conversion, but it's the same principle. Rocker switch, rocker pod, our wiring harness that comes with the kit, and also right here your forward and reverse and solenoid. So it's exactly the same way. You plug the 3 wires into the solenoid, you take the solid white wire, go straight to the ground on the battery pack, and then you take your red wire with the white tracer in it and you go to the small terminal of the power side of the solenoid, and then you will be ready to rip. That's it. That's how fast you can get the old style forward and reverse out and take it to what the new styles have on them now, which is your forward and reverse rocker. Alright guys, so we got our forward and reversing solenoid mounted up. I put it in the front. It's just under the hole where the old forward and reverse switch was, so that way it's a short run for your wiring harness and a pretty good place where all your high amp wires come into the solenoid anyway. And so I just put it on like a little L-shaped bracket here, bolted it to the bracket, bolted the bracket to the golf cart. Simple as that. Boom, it's in. And at this point you just take in your S's and your A's, you just take those cables from like your motor and then the M- from the controller, and you just run it to each one of their corresponding positions, because you'll see the letters on the solenoid. And then you can relate the letters from the solenoid to the motor. You can see there's the S's and the A's on the motor. You just put those on the forward and reverse and solenoid, and then of course you're going to have your M- come straight from the controller to your forward and reversing switch. So keep all that in mind when you're doing this. It's not hard. Just take your time when you're doing it. You'll be very happy that you did, because this makes this golf cart a whole different animal at this point. Makes it a lot more efficient. We want to thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe buttons. Hit us up if you got any questions about anything you see us do, man. We do not mind. There's also a telephone number, I think, to our actual business. You will hear directly from us. Thank you so much for watching again, and God bless.